Thank you for trusting Nusite with your exterior waterproofing project. Here are some quick next steps to get started with your project. First, let's sign our documents. Please send a signed contract via email, in person, or as a text photo to your sales representative. Next, we will need a deposit in order to secure dates. We accept checks, e-transfer, Visa, or MasterCard. To prepare for excavation, the Ministry of Labor requires locates of gas, hydro, and other utilities. Locates are critical in preventing major incidents, and fines can reach into the many thousands of dollars for both the contractor and homeowner. We execute locates through OntarioOneCall.ca. We will be working to start as fast as we can, although this process can take anywhere from 7 to 21 business days.
You'll work with our production department to schedule your project and get it done as quickly as possible.
Please ensure any belongings, patio furniture that may be affected by dust are out of the way, ready for our team to start their job. Once the job is complete, we will make sure you're happy before collecting the balance of payment. When you pay the remaining balance of the contract, the warranty will be in effect. Our head office will email you a final invoice and warranty certificate. Your home will require a minimum of 3 months of settlement before any landscaping is able to be completed. If it is required to disturb existing landscaping, Nusite does not perform any land reclamation on site. Nusite will resolve any warranty issues as quickly as possible. Within 24 hours of discovery, please notify Nusite so that one of our inspectors can assess whether the issue stems from the same repair area. Please ensure you have disqualified any issues related to cleaning your eavestroughs, downspouts that are far enough away from the house, and any grading that is required. These are the most common causes of re-leaks after waterproofing has been completed and are not covered under the warranty. If the leak requires more work to be completed, we will provide a free estimate if the return call does not originate from the same area as our contract. Further warranty information can be found in your contract. Thank you for choosing Nusite. We can't wait to waterproof your home.